The all-new Haas 4x4 VXL unleashes extreme monster truck fun with the power and speed only Traxxas can deliver. Traxxas engineers have evaluated every detail on the Haas 4x4 VXL to build a truck strong enough to withstand the most punishing drivers on the toughest terrain. But wait, should you buy it? Let's find out and watch before you buy in this episode of RCReview.com. Watch till the end as we count down the Traxxas Haas 4x4 VXL's top 8 monster truck features that makes this an overpowered beast in its class and size category. Watch out for a link in the video to win your free RC, only for our first 1,000 subscribers. RCReview.com. Watch before you buy. Let's get into the top 8 monster truck features of the Traxxas Haas 4x4 VXL. Number 8. Chassis and Body. The Haas 4x4's aggressive monster truck Pro Graphics body comes trimmed and pre-painted with the decals already applied. A tough internal cage structure supports the body, and outer reinforcements enhance the aggressive look. Roof skids provide rollover protection, and tailgate skids protect against wear-through from skidding, while reinforcements at the mounts prevent tear-through. The Haas's clipless Pro Graphics body mounts on specially designed shock towers, and the easy-to-use latch unlocks instantly with a quick swipe of a thumb, and locks again with a noticeable detent to let you know it's securely fastened. Number 7. Bumpers and Nerf bars. Tough reinforced front and rear bumpers protect the Haas 4x4 chassis against the most brutal of impacts. The specially designed front bumper provides a high approach angle that allows the Haas to climb up and over obstacles with ease. The rear bumper mounts feature a perfectly positioned wheelie bar to help prevent the Haas 4x4 VXL from backflipping under its explosive power. Rugged side Nerf bars protect the chassis from rocks and other impacts. Special channels in the Nerf bars support the sides of the body for a tighter, more secure fit. Support our work, like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell to know the latest and best RCs and upgrades first. Number 6. Steering System. The Haas has an optimum geometry steering system with an integrated servo saver and dual bell crank design pivots on rubber-sealed ball bearings for smooth action in the harshest conditions. The integrated cam-type servo saver protects the servo gears from crash impacts without sacrificing steering precision. The Haas's extreme speed and tall sledgehammer tires require steering servo that's both strong and durable. The waterproof 2075 digital high-torque servo provides robust steering authority with ball bearings for precise control and quick reflexes. Number 5. Drivetrain. The torque biasing center drive of the Haas absorbs shocks to improve driveline durability. The center drive also distributes power to all 4 wheels for mind-bending 4-wheel drive acceleration without the side effects of a typical center differential. Center differentials allow tires in the air to balloon uncontrollably, while the torque biasing center drive allows wheelies that are off the line. The heavy-duty front and rear oil-filled differentials utilize steel gear internals for maximum durability. Silicone gaskets and X-ring seals allow you to tune the amount of locking action by varying the viscosity of the fluid inside the differentials. Watch till the end for a link to win your free RC, only for our first 1,000 subscribers. Number 4. Wheelie bar and self-righting. With the Haas 4x4 VXL, you can ride practically never-ending wheelies and keep the wheels-up action under control during hard acceleration with the integrated wheelie bar. The wheelie bar has the perfect amount of flex to absorb impacts on less-than-perfect landings. The wheelie bar also features a convenient handle to transport your Haas to the next adventure. The Haas uses Traxxas's patented self-righting technology to keep the fun going even when you get carried away with wheelies or land upside down. Simply press a button on the TQI transmitter and, in most circumstances, the Haas 4x4 VXL will be back on its wheels in just seconds and ready for more action. Note: the Haas needs to be running on a 3S LiPo battery for the self-righting to work effectively. Number 3. Power System. The Haas 4x4 VXL's waterproof Vela Neon VXL 3S speed control is packed with technology to deliver maximum power. A large heatsink, integrated on-off switch, and 3 programmable drive profiles top the feature list. 2-stage low-voltage detection allows for full LiPo compatibility, including powerful 11.1-volt 3S packs. The ESC is fan-cooled and packed with innovative convenience and safety features, making the VXL 3S just as powerful as it is easy to use. Let us know in the comments which RCs and upgrades you're thinking about getting, and we'll review it so you can watch before you buy. Number 2. Fail-safe systems. The Haas 4x4 VXL comes with the tried and tested TQI 2.4 GHz 5-channel transmitter. The integrated telemetry ports in the receiver allow real-time data to transmit from the Haas to the TQI transmitter. In the event of signal loss, the receiver automatically returns the throttle to neutral and holds the last steering position, keeping your truck safe at all times. In addition to this, the Haas has an innovative rugged battery hold-down mechanism, which secures the battery safely in the chassis without flimsy straps or clips to lose. A beefed-up latch provides solid locking action to keep batteries safe no matter how wild the action gets. Number 1. Oversized motor. The Haas 4x4 VXL's massive Vela Neon 540XL brushless motor is 25% longer than the standard 3500 kV Vela Neon brushless motor for nearly limitless wheel standing torque at your command. It's the largest motor Traxxas has ever offered in a truck this size. The sensorless Vela Neon 540XL 2400 kV motor delivers extreme performance with nearly zero maintenance. Ultra-high temperature neodymium magnets, high-speed bearings, and a precision 4-pole balanced rotor deliver smooth running and long life. So now that you know the top 8 monster truck features of the Traxxas Haas 4x4 VXL, should you buy it? With its superior chassis and body, extra strong bumpers and Nerf bars, crash-resistant steering system, high-power drivetrain, unique wheelie bar and self-righting, high-tech power system, reliable fail-safe systems, and most importantly, its oversized Vela Neon 540XL motor make the Traxxas Haas 4x4 VXL the most powerful overpowered monster truck in its class and size category. So if you haven't already, rush to get your Haas 4x4 VXL today. If you've liked this video and would like to know the latest and best RCs and upgrades, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Visit rcreview.com/win to win your free RC, only for our first 1,000 subscribers. So now that you know the Traxxas Haas 4x4 VXL's top 8 monster truck features, click below to know about the latest TRX4 F-150 High Trail Edition and its one-of-a-kind roll bar lights.